So I'm Brandon Russell. I'm a second year, almost third year PhD student now, and I'm studying electrical engineering, specifically optics and photonics. I work generally in the field of high energy density physics. So specifically I use lasers to study magnetic fields in very high energy plasmas. So we use these lasers to shoot at targets like metal or gas, and in those interactions we can accelerate particles to near the speed of light, or we can generate very high field strengths, things that you'd only see in very high energy objects in space or astrophysical bodies. I specifically look at fundamental physics of magnetic fields, so magnetic field interactions and how they're generated in these very high energy interactions with lasers interacting with solids or gases. So one would want to look at that for the fundamental physics reasons. So we care about just generally how these interactions occur, and then their applications are seen in things like nuclear fusion, in magnetic confinement fusion. I think it's very exciting, and also you get to deal with things like lasers and X-rays, and I think the coolest things in science. So I work on the TQ laser. I'm the lead graduate student there. I think it was designed by Gérard Mourou. Gérard obviously won the Nobel Prize, co-won the Nobel Prize along with Donna Strickland. He shared the Nobel Prize with her, who is a professor in Canada, I should note. So he, I guess, started QOS, which is the center that we work in, and is now named after him, which is quite exciting to be working at a place named after a Nobel Prize winner, a living Nobel Prize winner who I now work on his laser. So my advisor is Louise Willingale, who's a professor in electrical engineering. Louise gives a lot of very good opportunities to grad students and is willing to take risks, it seems, which I think is very nice as a graduate student having that experience. In my close family, I'm the only engineer. They call me the laser guy. Yeah, they thought I worked on lasers for a long time until I told them that I don't build lasers, I just use them. Yeah, and they were arguing with me about that no, I'm definitely the laser guy. I build lasers. No, I don't. I don't build lasers. I think Ann Arbor is nice in that it's mostly a college town. Wherever you go, there's a lot of restaurants and friends you can make. There's a lot of student groups around here, and there's always some event going on. I do rock climbing here and mountain biking. I have a lot of good friends here. It's definitely a very friendly environment.